Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to talk about the ASUS BEZEL free kit. Yeah, this. It's the BEZEL free kit. Well, it was not free. It cost me 114 or 15 euros, I don't know anymore. But okay. As you know, I put these screens here. The triple ones, the 32 inches from Samsung Odyssey, the G6s. Well, if you want to see that video, it's up there. Yeah. And now I'm going to put the bezels on. Now the bezels, these are for the 26 inches. So I have to call my friend, and he made it me some extensions with his 3D printer. So thank you for Noisyworks to make me this. I hope they fit, but we shall see this later. Now the bezels, do you need them or don't you need them? I don't know. We are going to test this with a race. I think we are going to just do it without the bezels first, and then I'm going to put the bezels on, and we are going to see if there is a difference or no difference. Do you need to buy them? Don't you need to buy them? Well, we shall see. This will be the test for you and me. Now, okay. First thing first, we are going to look what's inside the box. So, okay, now we are going to look what's in the box of the BEZEL free kit. Now, it comes from Taiwan, from L.C.D. I'm going to look like this. Yes, I'm stuck. Now you got those four. You have to put this and this left and right. Yeah, and it's like this. You have to take them first out, I think, or not. Oh no, you can do it like this. Well, these are the bezels with the instruction. So we have the manual. Here you see A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So they said maybe you have to adjust your monitors to the right angle. Click it. I'm gonna see this thingy. So they say you have to push it and then put it in. So push, 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 and put it in. The bezels are here, and they have some plastic on, so that you need to peel off that plastic. Yeah, I'm going to wait for that. Okay, that's all, nothing more. A little test maybe. Yeah, it goes in. Now first we are going to do a little test without those bezels, and then I'm gonna install it, and yeah, we are going to see if there is a difference or not. Okie dokie. So okay, you guys, we are going to test this. We are going to do Spa-Francorchamps, my favorite circuit, because it's Belgium and I am from Belgium. I'm not going to write that long. I hope you can see those black angles here. So I'm curious about the difference if I put the bezels on. And do I need to adjust more on my game for the bezels or not? Because now I adjust it like I think and I hope it's good. Be the angles here and there. So yeah. Yeah. So this black must go away and it must be, yeah, must be better, I hope. So okay, we are back in the garage and I got all the stuff here. We are going to install it like this. First of all, I'm going to put this off. Like this. You must go away, my friend. Now, as you can see, here is the right. We have to put it on the right, and hope you can see this. Here there is the right and the left one. So I think this is the bottom. Yeah, this is the bottom, left, right. So you cannot miss that. Oh yeah, love the sound. Now, first things first, you got this angle meter, 130, 120. I think mine are 120 degrees. There are springs on it, but I don't know yet how do they do it. I'm going to put the bottom one first. I hope you can see this like this. Yes, maybe like this is great. I'm going to do, as you can see here, these are going to rest on the monitor. I'm going to put this in and it fits. Now we are going to do the other one, the same. I'm going to like this, or first you must get down, get down, get down. Okie dokie. And yes, yes, no, yes, no, yes. Still see that black stripe. Now it's better. Now it's away. But yeah, I don't know yet. I'm gonna put the other one on, or on. I don't know yet if I like it or not. Doing the same thing on the other side. like this. And to put it in like this, and I need to have this one here. Get it in like this. Nope. That sucks. Oh yeah. I know why it sucks. Because you have to turn it around. That's much better. Well guys, you can see it's like you are going to do it at home. It's struggling. Let's do the test with the bezels on. Yeah, well, it's actually nicer when the bezels is on, because now you see the whole front of your dashboard or car. So yeah, I must get used to this. But I see here my lap time, it's great. Yeah, everything looks nice. So you guys, now you can see it for yourself. The bezel is on. You still have that little black, I don't know why, like the angle, but I don't get that screen here, the right one better. But as you can see here, the lineup is great. I have to put it like this, like my eye view. The lineup is actually great, and the left one was a little bit easier. As you can see, you cannot see it at all, but that was a little bit better to do it on the right side here. I have to loosen up my screen again and put it on a better angle, as you can see. Yeah, it's on. Maybe at the evening when I'm going to race, it will be better in the dark. But I will do a little drive for you guys. You can see the bezel, and I'm crashing because I'm looking at the camera, but as you can see here, the bezel. But the lineup of the car is great. Yeah. So you guys, yeah, the bezel is on, like you can see here. It was not an easy job, like I was thinking. Yeah, it's put it on, and okay, I have to adjust a lot of my screens to put it on the great angle, and I still got that black stripe here. Maybe I have to look at to do it better, the angle. So you are going to be a little bit busy with it, but you can adjust the bezel on. For me it was Assetto Corsa, so the bezel is been adjusted by that game. Yeah, actually I like it. I have it, but I like it, but do you need to buy it? I don't think so, because you get used to the black lines on your screen, and actually you're looking at front, on the side if there is a car, but the bezels are a nice option to have, but you don't need to have it. Now it's getting back to race time. The next video will be the game capture card, so I can, my laptop here is here, and my PC, so I'm going to race with the big PC desktop, and my laptop will be the game capture, so that my PC will not do all of those things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I did my best to do this to let you see on a great angle. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.